Welcome to the attendant application. In this application we will show you how this application works. This we have set up for TNS. The link is tns.attendant.co.in. Okay, I will also record this in on my desktop. Basically, when you start, you click on this link either through web or through a mobile app. You will come to this screen, and there you need to type employee ID. So for example, I will type this employee ID and say submit, because every employee who goes to a sales has to visit, will have different clients to visit. That is how we have configured it. So he will submit his employee ID, and then once he clicks submit, then he comes here. Now as you can see, his location information is already captured. So this is, suppose that this is the location of the client which is already captured. Now we say client name, let's say Madhya Infosoft. Okay, and then he can type either this discussion now or even after also he can edit it. So discussed about supply of various industrial items. Okay, this is a short description. He can type as much as he wants. There's a huge space. This can be extended further, so that way there is no limit on the space or the content that can be typed here. He can fill as much details as he wants, and then he submits. So his location information and as well as the text is submitted. Now he can later, once he has finished with the visit, he can come to his room or hotel or wherever, and then he can review and then add other. So also supply of IT solutions. Okay, so that way he can even update this and then say update. So all this information which was previously captured is again updated. Now he can come to report section later, and this is the detail. So there he may have done many visits. Click here. So then his details and the location is shown, which place he visited, when he visited, who he visited, and what was the discussion. So all this information is captured. Now suppose he has visited multiple places, then all those multiple places will be shown with different dots. So this is how this report is generated. Now I will go to the admin section. Admin is the person who basically is his boss. So the URL is slightly different. Here you have to type admin, and I think this must be the login for now. I hope it works. Okay, maybe something else. Maybe I'll try this one. Okay, it worked thankfully. So here he can submit. So let's say I type Govind, I say MIS 0001 or something, 11, I say contact number, some number, I say email ID Govind. Okay, so this is important because I need to remember this, and then he can choose his photo. So that's not mandatory, but he can still select. So let's say some photo, and then see submit. And this is how the admin person can see the reports. He can see which places Mukesh Jain has visited. He can see view and map, the places that he's visited. So all this information is there. This is the video. So hope you like it. Thank you.